All right, what's good, guys? This is going to be a extended trade recap for the day. I'm going to start doing these more often, probably on YouTube, and then I'll do the shorter recaps still on TikTok. But I feel like people can benefit from these longer versions. So I'm just going to go over the framework that I usually do for the day. I pay attention to daily profiles a little bit. I used to trade them like a majority of the time, but I kind of just do external internal liquidity now. So what that means is fair value gaps and highs. If you guys don't know what that means, maybe I'll make a video about that. But here's the extended recap. So we look from midnight open. The open was here, this black line, and all we really did was manipulate up into obviously nothing, just all-time highs. So I was paying attention to that, and then coming into the day, we had. I'm wondering if I should just replay this to the start of the day. We won't, but just don't pay attention to any of this. So coming into the day, we have. Let's remark everything out. All right, so coming into the day, we had Asia lows here with relative equal lows, which is a strong draw in liquidity. As you guys see, relative equal. Those are just stronger draws than like any old high. And we had, where are Asia lows? Or London lows. And then these were London lows here. And we also had 8:30 news, so I was definitely paying attention to that. I think today was CPI. Yeah, today was CPI, so I was paying attention to news. If you guys see, this is the huge news candle here, and we didn't leave a wick on this candle. So I think it's called like a devil's mark, some people call it, or whatever. But basically all it is a candle that didn't leave a wick. And for whatever reason, price draws to these like pretty frequently, and like obviously, as you guys see, aggressive. Let me just get rid of this for now. So I was eyeing this. I did want longs for the day. If you guys watched my buys on TikTok, or like just because we were at all-time highs. But then I saw that, and I said I did want the news low to get taken out. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit more why I wanted that here. If we go on the 5-minute here with ES as well, we made an SMT with news highs. And typically I don't fade those because it's just pretty high confluence. So here's an 8:30 high on the 5-minute. Obviously we swept here. And here it is on ES. We didn't sweep it. So we had this SMT along with the no wick. I mean, it honestly was a no-brainer for me. This like is immediately what I wanted. And typically, like, well, not typically, but lately, market open has just been like moving very quick to like where it wants to go. So right before market open, we had closed below the halfway point of this bullish order block, which is the start of bearish order flow. As you guys see, the midline, we closed right here. Also creating a bullish order block, or I mean a bearish order block right here. So I'll show you guys the entry. Basically what I was looking for was to close below these fair value gaps here, which we did, and we respected both of them, while also tapping, oh my god, why does price keep fucking leaving? While also tapping this 5-minute order block. So even if the order block wasn't there, I most likely was entering this because it was just too clean not to. So yeah, this was just too clean not to enter. I ended up getting filled right here with stops above. Right here. I had them above, not even this high. I had them above these highs. I didn't really think we would make it back up here. I just thought we were going down. And then first and only TP on the day was these lows for a 4.67 R. I did risk less only because I normally don't trade right on market open. So this wasn't a normal risk trade, but we still banged out. I mean, that was really it for the day. I didn't see any other setup. We ended up taking out London lows and on our way to the Asia lows right now with NQ. And I didn't feel comfortable shorting anywhere in here or here. Obviously, this is PM session. I didn't trade PM, but because ES had swept out all of its liquidity, all of this Asia session lows, ES was there before NQ, so I didn't really like the SMT it was making. So yeah, that's basically it for the recap. I mean, all it really was today was the Devil's Mark here with the news candle, data lows. Thought that was a strong, strong draw on liquidity. Got the SMT closed below the halfway point of this bullish order block, meaning bearish order flow is starting. And then we tap this bullish order block right here. I mean, bearish order block. And the 1 minute entry, 1 minute fair value gap. Pretty simple. This was the open candle. If you guys have any questions, just drop in the comments. I'm not really sure how much more I could elaborate, but yeah, that'll be it for the day. Let me know if you guys want to keep doing the recaps, and if you have any other questions, I can make videos on whatever external, internal liquidity, which is mostly what I trade now. Then yeah, that'll be it for the day. Catch you guys later. I'm currently editing this right now, and I forgot to show executions, and I know people like to see that. So here are the executions. We got filled right here, this red, and we sold, or I guess bought right here, right when we took out the data lows. That's it for the day. Bang out game. See you guys tomorrow. PPI. Let's go.